The show must go on has actually cracked its greatest deal. We have Deel Chaudhary with us, the IP man of our industry. Deepak Chaudhary! Welcome, welcome, welcome. आप अच्छी नीयत के साथ एक इंस्टीट्यूट में एडमिशन लेते हो, इवेंट मैनेजमेंट सीखते हो।
हाँ, ये सही जगह नहीं जा रही है
और
ये
आप फिर एक साल के अंदर ये सोच लेते हो कि यार मैं खुद की इंस्टीट्यूट खोल लूंगा।
पैरेलली एमबीए कर रहा था और पैरेलली एनआईएम कर रहा था। कॉलेज यूज्ड टू सेंड मी टू इवेंट्स, छोटी छोटी चीजें उससे सीखते थे। जैसे मैंने एक जी सिने अवार्ड्स में काम किया था, आई वाज हैंडलिंग पार्किंग। आई रिमेंबर आई हेल्प्ड शाहरुख खान पार्क हिज कार एंड इमेजिन नहीं करोगे कि कई एक दो बार मिला और शाहरुख रिमेंबर्ड मी। मतलब जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में तुम कुछ अच्छा करते हो ना, उसके ही फायदे मिलते हैं। तो 6 महीने बाद आई सेड यार ये सारे लोग, इतने सारे लोग कमरे में बैठे हैं, अराउंड 500-700 लोग थे उस टाइम पे इंस्टीट्यूट में, डिफरेंट कोर्सेज में। ये सारे इवेंट मैनेजर बन जाएंगे तो इवेंट ज़रूरत इतनी है नहीं। आई सेड कुछ नया करते हैं। और एक्चुअली वहीं क्लासरूम में बैठे बैठे आइडिया आया कि यार कॉलेज चालू करो।
From all your IPs, which is your favorite?
Bollywood music project. It's given me tears. It gives me nights which I've never seen. I've been in like when Arijit Singh was performing. बारिश हो रही थी, मैं अरिजीत से थोड़ा टाइम पहले मिला था, बोला था गारंटेड बारिश होगी, तो थोड़े से ये होते हैं ना, रेनकोट मंगवा ले सबके लिए। 10,000 people in Geo Garden on that day were standing. It was raining heavily. Nobody moved. We were able to get Bryan Adams to India.
What do you feel जो आपकी लाइफ की शायद सबसे बड़ी गलती रही है?
Restaurant was a mistake. The only business you should not start is a restaurant business.
I think you did everything from kids, fashion week, and then there was something about bikes, right?
Bike Festival of India with Mahendra Singh Dhoni as a joint venture, much earlier again.
Do you actually discuss your thoughts and concepts and ideas with too many people, or do you keep it limited?
मैं बोल देता हूँ आइडिया, मतलब मेरी बिलीवेबिलिटी है, अगर अपने पास रखा हो तो बकवास आइडिया, it'll never come out.
Our Indian event industry loves this person. What can I say about him? Well, it's not a big deal to be chilling with him for someone like me, but it's taken me years to actually discover the real DC. Deepak Chaudhary, somebody who's known as the IP man of our industry, but lovingly we all call him DC. He's truly somebody who really is okay to accept his failures and success. He's the person who can smile through and truly believes in picking himself up, even if the fall might hurt. He's somebody who can inspire you to keep dreaming big and truly believes that everything is indeed achievable. Don't say stop when it comes to him. Don't strike a deal because he can do it better than you. Let's listen up to Deepak Chaudhary. The show must go on has actually cracked its greatest deal. We have Deel Chaudhary with us. Deepak Chaudhary. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I can't believe it. So I'm going to start off to make this more real. I'm going to start off by saying welcome DC. तो मुझे लगे कि मैं अपने दोस्त के साथ बैठी हूँ. With Deepak Chaudhary, it definitely reminds me of the IP man of our industry. Tell me, is that title for real? Do you feel like you own that space?
I don't know ये कहाँ से आया, but उनका तो पता नहीं. But it's been a small start, and then of creating IPs, and then when it keep adding, I don't know कैसे IP man बन गया.
Swear.
But वो अब अटक गया. I think वो Ip Man मूवी नहीं है, वो वैसा फील आता है, but IP man अटक गया है, and I think it's more of a pressure, more than anything else.
Take it as a compliment. Yeah. I tell you, take it as a compliment, and in your own words, the famous words that you always tell me and many others, live it. Live it.
I know. And actually, agar if somebody lives it passionately and continuously keeps working on something, you've been on it for years and long enough, I think that will become the biggest. वो चाहे किसी भी आईपी में हो, किसी भी फॉर्मेट में हो,
हाँ
लोग बोलते हैं यार ये अच्छा आइडिया है, ये अच्छा आइडिया है.
हाँ
मेरे हिसाब से तुमने जिंदगी जिस आइडिया पे बिताई है ना, वो आइडिया सबसे अच्छा आइडिया है.
My God. It's very difficult, na, lekin, to be able to have the conviction to go with an idea. जब आप 10 लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करते हो, हर एक का अपना खुद का पर्सपेक्टिव रहता है. Do you actually discuss your thoughts and concepts and ideas with too many people, or do you keep it limited कि भाई यही है, this is my inner circle?
No, I don't shy away to speak out.
Yeah.
मतलब मैं बोल देता हूँ आइडिया, and that's what lot of time I feel. पता है आइडिया मतलब मेरी बिलीवेबिलिटी है, अगर अपने पास रखा हो तो बकवास आइडिया है. मतलब वो मतलब it'll never come out. Discuss, you will hear good and bad, but finally it's about an execution. Ideas a lot of people have.
Yes.
Sometimes you and if you don't get a feedback right or wrong, you won't be motivated to do it as it is. So it's better to talk about it. Yeah, and don't keep hidden, don't shy away from it.
True.
Ideas are big and when it's done.
When it's done. So true, so true. You know, Deepak, जब कोई आपको जानने लगता है, समझने लगता है, I feel they understand the real you, but the outer perception that people have of Deepak Chaudhary is very different. I don't know if you're even remotely aware about it, but the outer perception, if somebody doesn't know you, it is of somebody who is very calculative and mindful. And when one gets to know you, तो लगता है, अरे बाप रे, he's so emotional. Are you aware that there are two sides to you that exist in this industry?
Yeah, I feel that, and मुझे नहीं पता, the second part लोगों को पता भी है. Correct, you're right. And actually they feel it's the real name what you gave and what people call it a deal Chaudhary.
Yeah.
And that's what people think. ये आदमी कहीं भी जाता है, बिजनेस सोचता है, बिजनेस करता है, किसी पार्टी में भी होगा तो कोई ना कोई डील क्रैक कर रहा होगा. बट वो मतलब and but rather I'm that's the frame it's become.
हाँ.
And but अंदर उसके कोई ऐसा है नहीं.
ऐसा इतना कैलकुलेटिव मूव नहीं चल रहा है.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. मैं दिल से करता हूँ सारी चीजें.
हाँ.
And कुछ चीजें बड़ी बन जाती है और कुछ चीजें नहीं बनती.
Yeah.
But it's been मतलब just heart first actually.
Yes.
Head much later आता है.
True. And has this been you as a person from childhood?
So business family. So
हाँ.
कभी भी मतलब वो risk appetite, thinking appetite, getting things done. I think वो शुरू से था. तो इसलिए उस टाइम भी मतलब habit to start came from your background. कि शुरू तो करना पड़ेगा ना. तो और एक बार शुरू हो जाता तो तुम फंस जाते थे उसमें. अब वो habit बन गई फिर. So that process became a habit. And then automatically it kept going on and so on.
But take me through your, say, childhood days. I know a lot about your life after you became the Deepak Chaudhary. But take me through your childhood days and college days, and how did you land up from Dehradun to Indore to Mumbai?
I don't know. कितने लोगों को पता है ये कुछ. So no, I've been born in excellent town, a small town called Narnaul. And it's in Haryana, the border of Rajasthan, and maybe 2.5-3 hours from Delhi.
Yeah.
अब वहाँ पे स्कूलिंग अच्छी नहीं थी. I'm born and जब मैं 4 साल का था 1980 में born हुआ, and 4 साल का था 1984 में, and my parents thought कि यार इसको थोड़ा better education दिलाते हैं because स्कूलिंग अच्छी नहीं है. And मेरा एक छोटा भाई, हम 3 भाई हैं. So the second brother Nikhil, मतलब you have to put the admission in Dehradun at that time, and you don't get admissions, you get a chance much later. Early years, very small, very less schools and more seats people to get in and so on. And he was little smaller, and that luck came on me, and then I got a chance to get the admission.
So you grabbed that seat, which could have been your brother's.
I don't know. I would love to stay with my parents though.
You struck a deal then also.
So I was crying, and I remember the whole family never saw that kind of scene, and we all were so emotional. And at 4 years old boy going out of the house, and and I think they couldn't live for large family. So, but I went to school in Dehradun, and a school called Hill Grange in Dehradun. Lovely school, and I boarding. Yeah, so full boarding, and उस टाइम मतलब अगर किसी को भेजना है अपने बच्चों को तो उतना जल्दी नहीं भेजना चाहिए बिकॉज पता ही नहीं होता मतलब हम लर्निंग बट एक साइड ठीक भी है क्योंकि एनवायरनमेंट नहीं होता है कई बार तो इट्स बेटर टू सेंड सो आई एम सेइंग आई वेंट इज अ गुड थिंग या सो but I studied then till 6th standard I was there, and it was a school till it was preparatory school, so till 6th only. And then I went to do my one more year I did in a military school in Raiwala, and it's in I did a 1 year of military schooling and realized that's not me, and then I went to Delhi, and the balance schooling I did in Delhi 5-6 years. I was in a school called Lancers Convent, and I did my schooling, and then aspired. I took commerce as a education, and then in 12th standard I decided ki I want to get into business education, and at that time there were 3 options. I applied for all of them, and landed. I got the selected everywhere, but went for an interview, failed 2 interviews, got into Indore as a IIPS, Devi Ahilya University. Institute is called International Institute of Professional Studies. One of the finest schools at that time. I joined a program called MMS, Master of Management Studies.
Which is after 12?
After 12. So 5 years program, 3 years of BMS and 2 years of management school.
Okay.
So 5-year program, I said 5 year, I've got the admission. I was happy in my own mind. Not too many people relate to it, but yeah, it was a big deal at that time. I was not so good at education, but I don't know how I made it. Something will be there.
You used your charm, DC.
So and then came to Indore in 1997, and 3 years I was there, and I think I lived one of the best times in Indore.
I'm sure.
Indore, a lovely city of food, lovely city of culture, and I used to little bit of events. The चस्का वहाँ से चढ़ा, little bit of नेतागिरी होती है इंदौर में बहुत. Everybody is a politician, so वहाँ से थोड़ा सा वो चस्का चढ़ा कि you're doing events for the city and so on, and used to create a lot of things there in the college. And then मतलब जो बॉम्बे की कहानी जो एक्चुअली बड़ी अजीब है, और वो जो बॉम्बे में होता है ना वैसा मेरे साथ भी हुआ. तो क्या हुआ कि एक रात को हम हम 5 दोस्त थे और एक फ्लैट शेयर करते थे. पैसे होते नहीं थे किसी के पास, और सब एक उसमें से एक की फैमिली बॉम्बे रहती थी, और इसमें बॉम्बे जाना है, मेरा कोई काम है, एंड सब उठो कौन कौन चलेगा. आई डोंट नो किसी के पास पैसे थे नहीं थे. एक ट्रेन हुई, अवंतिका करके ट्रेन आती है, वहाँ से हम 5 दोस्त कैसे ना कैसे उस ट्रेन में बैठ गए, बस ऐसे ही. हाँ, अनप्लान्ड. Today decided, and tomorrow, today morning decided, evening 4 o'clock train. Wow. And we sat in the train. And एक के फादर रेलवेज में थे, तो उन्होंने बॉम्बे सेंट्रल पे रेलवे स्टेशन पे रूम्स वगैरह करा दिए थे. While we land by a train, and बॉम्बे एक्चुअली उस टाइम बॉम्बे आया नहीं था मैं पहले उससे, बट बॉम्बे वालों को नहीं समझेगा ये क्योंकि इसका मतलब क्या है. बट दैट फीलिंग ऑफ सीइंग लार्ज बिल्डिंग्स वाज डिफरेंट. That feeling of seeing poshness, large hotels, वो कुछ और ही था. मतलब वहाँ पे जब बॉम्बे आए तो ऐसे सुबह उठ के आई रिमेम्बर वहाँ गए हम, गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया देखा, और ताज में वॉशरूम यूज करने गए, वो भी किया. बट वो अलग ही फीलिंग.
I know what you're saying. So many tourists do that.
And अब पता नहीं जाते होंगे नहीं आते होंगे, but at that time I think it was just the feeling was amazing. And then I realized at that time, और वो वहाँ की गलियाँ थी जय हिंद कॉलेज की, तो बढ़िया लड़कियाँ थी वहाँ पे. वो मतलब ऐसा मौसम ऐसा लग रहा था कि कुछ हंसी नहीं है. तो बट नो बॉम्बे पता है. लेकिन उस दिन क्या हुआ कि यार तुम वापस नहीं जा सकते. और वो जो उस टाइम जो झटका लगा, चाहे कि तुम्हें अगर इवेंट्स में कुछ करना है, तुम्हें लाइफ में कुछ करना है, तो तुम्हें आना पड़ेगा बॉम्बे. तो उस दिन आई डिसाइडेड, आई रियली डिडंट गो बैक ओनली. आई टोल्ड माई फ्रेंड्स सेंड माई सामान. I told I got some relative helped me to get an MBA admission here, and somehow got the admission, and then told my parents कि मैं आ गया हूँ और शिफ्ट भी हो गया हूँ. I used to थोड़ी चीज़ें खुद ही कर लेता था.
Wow.
But in 2000 I came to Bombay, and I practically then
And
this
this is
city.
your independent upbringing that helped you take that decision by yourself. मतलब पेरेंट्स
Yes.
के साथ डिस्कस भी नहीं किया और खुद ही
करेक्ट
डिसीजन
थोड़ा
ले
सा
लिया.
थोड़ा सा बिकॉज स्मॉल टाउन्स एज तो वो डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर थोड़ी सी बढ़ गई थी बिकॉज
Yes.
आई टू कॉलेज में खुद कमाने लग गया था थोड़ा तो डिसीजन मेकिंग आ गया था.
हाँ.
Okay, so they were dependent on my decision.
Right.
Parents would have not said कि is it right or wrong. They said they were worried कि बॉम्बे क्या करेगा, कैसे इतना बड़ा शहर है. But I think and then whatever is there is अगर आता ही नहीं तो होता ही नहीं. तो वही बात है कि
Actually,
सच तो यही है कि
डील चौधरी को डील चौधरी मुंबई शहर ने बनाया. बट टेल मी वन थिंग, जब आप आते हो, आप अच्छी नीयत के साथ एक इंस्टीट्यूट में एडमिशन लेते हो, इवेंट मैनेजमेंट सीखते हो.
हाँ, ये सही जगह नहीं जा रही है
और
ये
यहाँ पे मैं आपका कैलकुलेटेड स्वभाव दर्शकों को दिखाना चाहूंगी कि आप फिर एक साल के अंदर ये सोच लेते हो कि यार मैं खुद की इंस्टीट्यूट खोल लूंगा. How do you get that courage? I will say audacity. And didn't you for once feel emotional about NIEM as an institute? यार मैंने यहाँ से सीखा और अब मैं यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ा कॉम्पिटिटर बन गया with EMDI.
So I think हाँ ये अपने आप होती जाती हैं चीज़ें. आई थिंक आदमी सोचता नहीं है, मैंने कोई इतना कैलकुलेट सोचा नहीं था. बट नो सो MBA जब एडमिशन लिया तो अब कॉलेज में एडमिशन लिए तो लिया. MBA नहीं करना था, करना इवेंट्स था. माइंड में कहीं ना कहीं इवेंट मैनेजर बनना था. ओके तो सोच ये नहीं थी कि कुछ और बनना है, उस क्लियर कि इवेंट मैनेजर ही बनना है. ओके एंड तो पहला साल MBA का वाइल आई वाज MBA कर रहा था उस टाइम कंफ्यूज था. मार्केटिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ थी, ये था वो था. बट सेकेंड ईयर आई डिसाइडेड, पता चला NIEM इंस्टीट्यूट है और होशी भिवंडी वाला सर रन करते हैं. एंड इट वाज द ईयर 2001 एंड मैंने उनका कोर्स ज्वाइन किया. दे स्टार्टेड इन 2000 एंड एक साल हो गया था उनको एग्जिस्टेंस का. एंड आई सेड इट लुक्ड अ गुड स्कूल एंड आई सेड मेरा करियर बनने वाला है. कॉलेज भी होता है इवेंट्स में. तो took a step, joined parallelly MBA कर रहा था और parallelly NIM कर रहा था. सेकेंड ईयर ऑफ माई MBA. तो PGDM वहाँ का कोर्स. बट 6 महीने बाद ये झटका आया थोड़ा मुझे खुद को भी कि आई सेड यार ये सारे लोग, इतने सारे लोग कमरे में बैठे हैं. अराउंड 500-700 लोग थे उस टाइम पे इंस्टीट्यूट में डिफरेंट कोर्सेज में NIM के. ये सारे इवेंट मैनेजर बन जाएंगे तो इवेंट मैनेजर की ज़रूरत इतनी है नहीं. तो आई सेड कुछ नया करते हैं. और वो और एक्चुअली वहीं क्लासरूम में बैठे बैठे आइडिया आया है कि यार कॉलेज चालू करते हैं और कॉलेज एक ही है. और क्या गलत होगा, क्या होगा अगर एक कॉलेज चालू करेंगे, थोड़े बहुत बच्चे आ जाएंगे. एंड उस टाइम NIM में एक होता था ना कि इवेंट्स करते हो आप साथ में. तो कॉलेज यूज्ड टू सेंड मी टू इवेंट्स एंड छोटी छोटी चीज़ें उससे सीखते थे, रिलेशनशिप बनाते थे. जहाँ जिस भी इवेंट में जा रहे हो, छोटे छोटे इवेंट्स में काम किया. एंड जैसे मैंने एक जी सिने अवार्ड्स में काम किया था. और I remember I helped Shah Rukh Khan park his car. I was handling parking. And imagine नहीं करोगे कि कई उसके एक दो बार मिला और शाहरुख रिमेंबर्ड मी. सो इतना भी होता है. मतलब imagine the relationships you build on ground. So it's that, मतलब at that time. तो मेरी मतलब मैंने कहाँ से एक सबसे बड़ी चीज़ क्या हुई. I did ये लोगों ने बताया. So 70 इवेंट कंपनी है मार्टिन डिकोस्टा की. एंड इट वाज मार्टिन की शादी हो रही थी. ओके काशिद बीच रिजॉर्ट काशिद के अंदर मार्टिन की शादी हो रही थी. एंड आई वाज वर्किंग एज एन इंटर्न विद देम एंड 70 के साथ. एंड 70 said कि चलो तेरे को.
You were an intern at 70?
I was intern at 70. That was the only thing I did as a work for somebody else. So intern मतलब as in the events पे NIM की तरफ से you worked for an event. And I did one more event called Will's Lifestyle Fashion Week था उनका कैलकाटा में. I was
at that event. I anchored it
in Calcutta in 2001 too.
Yeah.
Wow. तो उसमें Darayas and one club I remember, कोई एक बंगाल क्लब वगैरह था उसके अंदर था. So very very fine event and I did some good work. And
Sarosh was I think doing the sound. Back then he was not much into the designing part with 70. Yes.
But then I told them कि यार नहीं उनको काम अच्छा लगा. They said will you take another project and I said ठीक है. 20 days लगेंगे and all that. I said ठीक है. So I agreed and somehow missed my MBA and all that and went to Kashid. And I was managing hotels and so on. And तो practically I manage Martin's शादी. So Sagarika और मार्टिन की
You-
शादी हो रही थी एंड इट वाज टू इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ देम
Sure.
एंड आई सेड कुछ अच्छा करने को मिलेगा और
Hmm.
वहाँ पे बट काम मतलब मैंने इतनी अच्छी कुछ रिलेशनशिप्स बनाई इन सारे 70 के लोगों के साथ उसके शादी के बाद ना
हाँ.
मार्टिन मेरा सबसे बड़ा ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बना सो मार्टिन
Hmm.
केम ही सेड व्हाटएवर यू वांट
Hmm.
अब वो सो दैट्स व्हाट मतलब जो जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में तुम कुछ अच्छा करते हो ना
Yeah.
उसके ही फायदे मिलते हैं तुम्हें एंड दैट मुझे जो मार्टिन ने बोला फिर देन व्हेन ही मेड फ्यू कॉल्स फॉर मी इट वाज थिंग्स वर इजी so
Okay.
how the so it start the journey started there at the Martin
Wow.
ki shadi so
Oh
the
my
idea I
God.
said aap support karoge he said 100% and I was 22 years old and I got
Yeah.
that support at that time धीरे धीरे then so the idea of EMDI happened EMDI also नाम मैं ऐसे एक रास्ते से जा रहा था हरियाणा में हमारे मैनेजमेंट डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट करके कॉलेज हुआ करता था MDI गुड़गांव आई सर उसके आगे ई लगा दोगे तो EMDI बन गया इतना क्यों दिमाग लगाना चाहिए so that's
ये
how
हैबिट अभी भी है
ये-
ना ज्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाओ कंटेंट पे फोकस
So-
इतना मत
so
करो
बस वो दिखता था ना रोज इट्स वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट
Yeah.
मैनेजमेंट स्कूल्स सो व्हाई टू
Yeah.
किसने सोच के रखा होगा मैनेजमेंट डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट मैंने कहा
True.
बहुत अच्छा नाम है इसके आगे ये लगा देते हैं इवेंट मैनेजमेंट डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट एंड दैट्स हाउ EMDI केम इन फॉर्मेशन एंड बना भी कैसे IES मैनेजमेंट कॉलेज हमारा जिसमें मैं MBA कर रहा था
हाँ
उनके Jimmy was my senior Jimmy my wife
Yes.
and my partner she was a senior she used to teach me
Ah.
actually she was a senior and then became
She
a
used
teacher
to teach you
she was my teacher
she
तो
still
मेरा
teaches you
टीचर के साथ चक्कर नहीं था उस टाइम काफी so but she used to teach project finance
हाँ.
and I used to call her Jimmy ma'am and so वहाँ पे I told her she knew the chairman well I said यार थोड़ा सा चेयरमैन से अगर बोल के एक क्लासरूम मिल जाए और एक ऑफिस मिल जाए तो बस वो दैट वर्क आई थिंक आई यूज्ड हर एट दैट टाइम और मेरे को पता था उसके पास थोड़ा पैसा भी है आई सेड let's get her as a partner so I proposed that not proposed the proposed that can you be the partner in the business and then she agreed and somehow she agreed I don't know why she agreed she agreed
she was charmed by
Yeah.
you DC
I don't know but she did agree and then मेरा एक classmate था Naushir engineer and Naushir used to at lovely presentations he used to make he used to presentation वो बनाता था मेरे भी presentation वही कर देता था तो मैं बच जाता था while I was in NIM मैं होता नहीं था and then he used to but I told him Naushir can you write this letter for me and then I said यार थोड़ी सी मेरी चीजें जो वीक है ना वो नौशिर संभाल लेगा किसी तरह से नौशिर को पटा लो एंड देन पटाने के चक्कर में नौशिर माना नहीं उसकी जॉब लग गई थी ICICI बैंक में वो माना नहीं आई वेंट टू हिज मदर मैंने कहा आंटी क्या करेगा नौकरी करके कब तक क्या सब नौकरी करते हैं देखो so, कुछ अच्छा करने दो उसको somehow few एक month के बाद Naushir also agreed and then EMDI came in shape and we launched EMDI.
My God,
and in,
this actually
yeah,
sounds like a movie, you know, Rocket Singh. आप एक कंपनी में काम कर रहे हो फिर आप बोलते हो यू नो मैं तो छोड़ ही रहा हूँ तू मेरा पार्टनर बन जा तू मेरा पार्टनर बन जा
पर ऐसा कोई
इसे
intention नहीं था, I think.
कैलकुलेटिव नहीं कहेंगे तो क्या कहेंगे
I think it's just the pursuance of the time. I think जो हो रहा था अपने आप ही हो रहा था.
I'll say taking the decision at that time, like you identified it so beautifully. And for a 21-year-old to be able to identify that if this room has 700 event managers, maybe I don't want to belong to one of them and I want to stand apart. But to have the conviction then to convince two others who are much smarter than you.
So true.
and you played your game so beautifully. Your confidence, I think it's your biggest trait.
I think, yeah. So and then EMDI was a journey for sure.
Yes, for sure. In fact, I think I want you to also take us through what is your favorite term, you know, scalable. You like the scale of the game and you
Right.
played it so beautifully with EMDI. Whose idea was that? Was that totally coming from you where you realized that this is not just a requirement कि मुंबई से आगे भी मुझे एक दुनिया क्रिएट करनी है ऑफ इवेंट एस्पिरेंट्स ये कैसे हुआ
नहीं बाकी मेरे दोनों पार्टनर मुझे रोकते थे
रियली
यानी हर चीज में हाँ दोनों एक हाथ से दूसरा पकड़ता था और एक हाथ से इतना
रुक जाओ
इट वाज माय मैडनेस ओनली
हाँ
So-
आज भी जिमी रोकती है ना
हर जगह मतलब दोनों ने बहुत रोका मुझे
हाँ।
और मैंने इसमें बहुत गलतियां भी की बट सो कभी दोनों के साथ बैठोगे तो बताएंगे कि कैसे कैसे होता था. एक लिस्ट बनाता था
हाँ.
और 3 लिस्ट बनाता था, 2 लाइन डाल के एक कागज पे, एक लिस्ट में एक का काम, दूसरे का काम और तीसरे का काम.
हम्म.
उनको देता था दोनों को लिस्ट, और उन दोनों की लिस्ट पे देता था आज तेरा काम है, आज तेरा काम है.
हाँ.
ठीक है. शाम को पता चलता था कि यार तेरी लिस्ट में कितने हुए. मैंने
हाँ.
कहा ये चेक करता था तुम दोनों ने किया या नहीं किया. सो दैट वाज द फन बिटवीन अस, how we used to work together. But no, I at that time also, so we saw success much earlier. I think जब 2002 में EMDI स्टार्ट हुआ and we saw 60 diploma in event management and 60 post graduate diploma in event
Yeah.
management students
Yeah.
एक्चुअली आ गए.
Hmm.
हम, और मतलब वो कैसे आए पता नहीं, और क्यों आए वो भी नहीं पता.
Wow.
एज में मतलब हम सब छोटे ही थे. मैं 22 साल का, एंड आई वाज काउंसलिंग 30 years old, 35 year old, 40 years old, and they were really believing in us.
Yeah.
एंड जब पहला साल जब बैच देखा तो मतलब वी मेड आवर मनीज, वी थॉट वी कैन डू मैजिक.
Hmm.
ओके, सो दैट्स द, तो हमें ऐसा लग रहा था कि हम तो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
हाँ.
तो गलतियां करी उस वजह से. तो वी अगले साल हमने सोचा बैंगलोर खोलते हैं,
Hmm.
पुणे खोलते हैं, चेन्नई खोलते हैं, हैदराबाद खोलते हैं, इंदौर खोलते हैं, जयपुर खोलते हैं. तो हम फिर थोड़ा थोड़ा
In the
मैडनेस
second
में
year.
इन द सेकेंड ईयर इटसेल्फ. Okay, so
Oh.
second year itself, but
Hmm.
should have stayed on for some more years.
Yeah.
But my madness
The
did allow
rush.
me to, yeah, the rush, and the success also taught ki, but we didn't build systems. I think that was
Hmm.
the brand was good, the passion was good. We were working like mad, but how we could have stayed on little. But
Hmm.
we saw little success and one or two failures. Like Cochin Coimbatore was a really a bad decision. And
Hmm.
we had to shut in the immediate times, and we saw what does a right and wrong means, and then we continue.
Hmm.
Mistake hui, but then we realized, and then we continued on the right things. Bangalore did very well, Pune did very well.
Yes.
So and then we jumped into Dubai. So much earlier, ये 2004 में. So जिमी वेंट फॉर अ हॉलीडे एंड देखा यार दुबई. मैंने कहा हॉलीडे पे गई है, वहाँ पे खोल लिया, ब्रांच ही खोला. सो वो उसमें वी मैनेज्ड मनी फ्रॉम समवेयर, एंड फाइनली वन ऑफ अस, आई सेड, तीनों बैठे हम और हमने डिसाइड किया कि एक जने को तो शिफ्ट होना पड़ेगा यार, एक जने को छोड़ना पड़ेगा और दुबई जाना पड़ेगा. एंड इन दैट डिसीजन मैं कहा यार मैं देसी आदमी हूँ, दुबई में थोड़ा गोरा लगेगा थोड़ा, तो मेरा इशारा नौशिर पे जा रहा था. नौशिर कंफ्यूज था, जिमी मैं गर्ल हूँ, मैं कैसे जाऊंगी यार, तो तुम कैसे भेज सकते हो. तो फाइनली बेचारा मुर्गा बना नौशिर, एंड देन no, but today he
He's
says
happy. I'm sure he doesn't regret.
He's the happiest because of that. I think his
Yeah.
decision to move in 2004, and he's built what EMDI did magic in Dubai.
My
I think it was
God.
magical institute he created there.
But again, I must say, the three of you have been very bold in your decisions, because back in 2004, there was no surety or clarity कि events किस तरफ जा सकता है, and दुबई में कितना potential है, especially for our field. Big gambles.
I think हाँ, और उस टाइम मतलब opportunity पता भी नहीं था. Actually, we just
Exactly.
took the step, and Knowledge Village was coming in Dubai.
Yes.
Education hub. We said
Yes.
कुछ तो education का है, तो
Hmm.
वहाँ पे एक let's put our leg. I think, और वो जो help होती है ना, आज मैं दुबई में, as you know, I do a lot of business in Dubai. जब मैं बैठता हूँ, एक किसी मीटिंग में जाता हूँ, थोड़ी देर बाद पता चलता है सामने जिससे मीटिंग कर रहा हूँ EMDI का स्टूडेंट है. कॉन्वर्जेशन चेंज हो जाता है मरीशा. द कॉन्वर्जेशन इज सो डिफरेंट when you realize this is your student, and that gives you little happiness, and that gives you, so today मतलब इंडिया में तो होता ही है. We've got more than 3,500 4,000 kids who are in the industry active, and I must be connected to most of them.
Really?
And जब उनसे पूछते हो, बात करते हो, उनके सक्सेस देखते हो, उनके, and if you see them where they are, I think it's unbelievable. That gives us, I think, a different feel altogether. And you also do so much education bit. You know the feeling of it when
It
you
is
see
a
your
different
own kid doing well.
True.
And that feeling is nowhere can
I
beat
think
that
randomly just bumping into someone at an airport or at a restaurant, and they saying, hey, you know,
man.
I'm your student.
Yeah, it's just such a different feeling. And if you see them on anywhere, you see them, you feel good about it. So.
Totally. I think a lot of the students who studied with me in the institute today are doing so well. Probably they're leaders in their cities and markets.
Right.
And then when they keep sending their work, you know, I did it with this one, or this person was a guest at my wedding, and you feel like, wow, you can actually make an impact and a difference.
No, so amazing.
Yeah. Now, DC, take me through the next chapter जनरली एज इंडियंस हम बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल रहते हैं कि हमने कुछ क्रिएट किया है तो बस वो हमारा ही है. फॉर यू टू बी एबल टू लेट गो ऑफ द ब्रांड EMDI बट मेक मनी ऑन दैट, ये सब कैसे हुआ?
सो अगेन नहीं, उस टाइम ये नहीं था कि मैं कहीं जाने दे रहा हूँ इसको, ये इतना रियलाइज़ नहीं हुआ.
हम्म.
चला गया, वो गलत हो गया, बट ऐसा उस टाइम ये रियलाइज़ नहीं होता. आई वाज़ ट्राइंग टू रेज़ फंड. आई सेड कि यार इतना स्केल कर लिया है,
हम्म.
और स्केल कैसे करेंगे? अब नाउ सो दो तरीके होते हैं कि या तो हम एक अपने ही साइज़ को बड़ा करें या किसी बड़े केक का एक छोटा पाई पाई बन जाए. सो I said, let's get some money, get some equity, and open more. So the objective was not to sell, objective was to grow.
Okay.
Okay, I still wanted to be the same entrepreneur. And I said, उस time listed companies का काफ़ी चल रहा था. And then one listed company at that time decided कि चलो, and I was actually there were more companies who we built a big brand and काफ़ी companies थी, and we were trying to do a deal with Whiscraft at that time. Yeah, so
Oh.
that deal didn't go through.
Okay.
Okay, and so a lot of people wanted to invest in us, and then finally Grey Cells, which was a listed company, Grey Cells Education Limited, chose to take us on, and then I got an opportunity to head that company. So I became the managing director of Grey Cells Education Limited, and Naushir headed the Middle East business, and Jimmy decided to take a little easy but be with us in some form. But again, much earlier, got that decision. Shouldn't have done that. Because of my speed and scale, I think this happens. But
Why
if
do
that
you
would have
feel?
not happened, no. So it's we should have stayed on for more. We should have stayed
Okay.
on for keep opportunities of investors will keep coming. See, I thought it's coming, then take it. I
Yeah.
think that was अब वो mistake है या नहीं है पता नहीं. But I'm saying when opportunities of investors coming, stay on. तो तुम्हारी opportunities आ रही है, इसका मतलब नहीं है कि तुम्हें वो लेना ही है. तो वो हम उस टाइम हाइपर हो जाते हैं कि यार अरे हम तो अच्छा कर सकते हैं, अब ले लेते हैं पैसा. एंड किसी का पैसा लेना इजी नहीं होता. एंड देन वंस यू टेक द मनी, यू आर लिविंग टू डिलीवर दैट मनी. क्यों लिया है वो तुमने? सो आई थिंक वो तुम उस साइकिल के अंदर वो फिर थोड़ा सा क्रिएटिव पैशन चला जाता है. वो एक मिस हो जाता है. बट वी I think both my partners said no for it, but again I took the call and somehow made them emotional about it and made them agree. And yeah, so the deal structure happened and we celebrated and we were part of a listed company. And maybe much earlier I was a managing director of a listed company. I think in life 2008 I was 28 years old, and maybe so that and I ran that company for 3 years. And then I said कि अब वापस से एंटरप्रेन्योर कैसे बने. सो ऐसा उस टाइम ऐसा लग रहा था थोड़ा सा तुम बंद गए हो, थोड़ी पेस तुम्हारी, तुम भाग नहीं पा रहे हो. तो
Right.
मुझे
You're restricted
you're
in
restricted.
what you
Now,
can
ऐसा
do.
कोई इंटेंशन नहीं होगा किसी आसपास लोगों का, बट
I'm
तुम्हें
sure.
खुद लगता है कि कुछ और करते हैं, कुछ तो नया करते हैं एज यूजुअल. सो वो एंड पैरेलली इवेंट FAQS स्टार्ट हुआ एक्चुअली. सो
अच्छा.
इवेंट FAQS जर्नी
हाँ.
एक बड़ी अजीब सी जर्नी है.
हाँ.
सो ऐसा एक कमरे में हम EMDI के अंदर ही हम तीनों पार्टनर्स बैठे थे, और एक हमारे डीन हुआ करते थे प्रोफेसर अनंत रंगास्वामी.
Yes.
अनंत, वी लॉस्ट हिम सम
Yeah.
टाइम बैक.
Yeah.
वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट, जैसे जो मजिशियन, एक्चुअली बहुत सारी चीज़ें ना मैंने उनसे सीखी है. जैसे वॉर ऑफ डीजेज का आइडिया था उनका, ब्रांड इक्विटी क्विज का आइडिया था, कुछ ऐसे ऐसे आइडियाज़ थे ना उनके, और इतने डीप आइडियाज़ थे. उनको देखोगे तो उनकी सोच थी कि तुम कुछ लिखो. अच्छा लिखते थे वो. तो उन्होंने बोला, डिस्कस कर रहे थे हमारे साथ बैठ के, उन्होंने बोला कि यार इवेंट्स में कोई कुछ लिखता नहीं है, और
हाँ.
कंट्री मैच्योर हो रही है, तुम लोग इतने बच्चे पैदा कर रहे हो इंडस्ट्री में, तो क्यों ना उस पर लिखना चालू करें. एंड
हाँ.
दैट्स हाउ इन 2007
हाँ.
Anant sir gave an idea that let's start Event FAQS Media.
Oh my.
And that's how Event FAQS Media, I said, there is हमारा एक वेबसाइट रजिस्ट्रेशन वाला वो करता था. मैंने उसी टाइम चुपचाप मैसेज कर दिया, जस्ट रजिस्टर this.com. रजिस्टर हो गया.
हाँ.
कोई पड़ोस में बैठा था, उसको मैंने बोला एक वेबसाइट तो बना दे यार. And that's website got formed. And yeah, in 2007 we launched Event FAQS Media. At that time, in within EMDI ecosystem, we were using the shared resources, and then Vishal came from abroad and he wanted to pursue a career in photography.
Hmm.
And I said, क्या रखा है उसमें यार? कहीं ना कहीं मैंने उसको भी थोड़ा फंसा दिया. So
You
वो आज भी
are a
बोलता है कि
magician.
so वो फंस गया मेरे चक्कर में.
You
and
have
then-
hypnotic powers,
yeah, so-
basically. I'm not going to lock
So-
my eyes.
So he came in, and then Karishma joined hands, and then they ran Event FAQs Media for very long. And what you
Yes.
see the size, scale, they built Event FAQs as a media company.
Totally.
And yeah, at that time, so it saw different shape, different commitment on what is building up a media power in this space, and
Mhm.
it became slowly the only voice of event industry.
The only voice. And I think it still remains as the only
It is. It
voice.
is. More people, more companies have added, but yeah, we are authoritative on that.
Yeah.
We are a leader in that. We control 95% of the market space there, on the
Wow.
revenue front, on the voice front, on the knowledge front, on the content front. I think lots
Excellent.
IP front, B2B IPs. We've got around 8 to 10 IPs, which Wow Awards is your our finest curator,
Mhm.
and the Wow. What
Yeah.
was, and now I think we've
Yeah.
scaled up together, which
Yes.
is what we all see as an industry, and we all
Yeah.
feel proud ourselves as that
Totally.
what this industry has. This parallelly, the size of the industry is increased.
Absolutely.
I think Wow's success is parallelly we're going hand in hand with
Yeah.
this
With the
industry's
success of
growth.
the
I think that gives us a sense of
totally.
and it belongs to all of them. They feel proud, they feel involved, they
Yeah.
feel it's a yeah. So that's one bit of it. But yeah, Event Figures has been a related journey where I think my decision of staying on to don't open an agency and keep working in the ecosystem. Yeah, so that's I stayed on I was using my own people, like in EMDI, while event industry was a support ecosystem. This also needed event industry only.
Yeah.
So
true.
that got connected well.
True.
Yeah. So
But-
idea stayed on to the idea.
When I see this, DC, I feel it was such an intelligent move because you are still by far one of the most important people in the industry, but yet you are not categorized as most of the important people are, which is the tag of an event manager. But to be able to stay so offbeat and yet stay so integral in the game. Did you have to face any kind of reservations or politics? And did you have people who were trying to pull you down or negate your existence because they thought you were too powerful for them?
No, I think we never went that route.
Okay.
Okay. We chose to be a support ecosystem. We chose to be together. We played our quietly staying on game, and I think everybody came together.
Yeah.
So I think that worked in our favor. And we were young, and everybody thought they're helping us. They didn't
Sure.
realize they're creating monsters. So, but at the same time, they were helping us
Right.
in the right sense.
Yeah.
And I think and parallelly things got created. It's not that, but we've committed ourselves in this space, and we continuously kept working. And we lost a lot of money initially. So it's not that we invested a lot of money,
really?
and we realized, why are we putting that money? But because there was less of revenue. Where the model, when Event Figures got created, we thought we are creating a mediator between an event manager and a brand manager. So what does that mean? That event guy will spend money to tell a brand manager that come and buy me, or come and invest in me, or I will do your events. But this event manager guy never paid us. So we realized the event manager तो देता ही नहीं, तो model change हुआ, that it became a mediator between a vendor ecosystem and an event company. And that gave us a success. And the idea came in much later, but yeah, that gave us a good success, where vendor ecosystem was really needing an ecosystem where they can, how can they reach to event manager? I think that gave us that gave us birth to a lot of IPs and system, where today, I realize, and a lot of people, if you talk to them, they met in this ecosystem. They've been, each of them have been able to connect due to this ecosystem across the country.
And what kind of time and number loss did you see before you realized that you need to change your game?
No, we had other businesses, so it was not
the only
business. So it didn't scale up initially. But we said yes, we were losing 50 to 60 lakhs per year, and I said it'll building up for future. And every year we were losing some money, and we were saying, let's keep investing. And we invested for 10 years maybe.
Wow.
Yeah, so but we stayed on.
Unbelievable. I honestly didn't have an idea that it could have been that expensive
No, it is. If you, it
to
was
run
maybe
a
not something new, not needed. Inner realization of
yeah.
revenue was weak, I think. And I think somewhere we've all known that where we as an industry were and where are we now, and that
Yeah.
benefit this investment is reaping.
True.
I think that's what
Yeah.
is
Do you
the
think in hindsight it was a little ahead of its time? Would you think so?
completely. I think at that time it could have stayed on, as
Hmm.
they say now. Then once you have money,
Yeah.
acquire rather than investing. I think that's where now I moved on to.
Now you
Yeah,
moved on. And
to. It's taken
how?
time, but yeah, each has. If that would have not happened, many more things would have not
Would have
happened. So
not.
it's all connected to
Yeah.
that start.
And did that change your Laksh in any way thereon?
Yeah, Laksh happened actually. So that journey did
Which year
start.
was this?
So a strange story. Actually, the before it's so I so we made some money and we decided to jump into a new business. We said अभी events वगैरह बहुत हो गया, कुछ
हाँ.
नया करते हैं.
हाँ.
And as you know, Jimmy's passionate about food and he said let's start a restaurant.
Oh yes.
Yeah, and then we jumped in to start Fat Cat Cafe in Andheri
Yeah.
and lovely high-end Italian restaurant we made with so much passion. We spent so much money.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, in that passion, business happened. And for 1 year, 2 year, business happened. Uh, I I feel I don't know why we did that business. Now, so sometimes you feel
In hindsight, you're
with
like, what was I thinking?
Yeah, it's a no, but you feel that it's so easy business because restaurant chalana yaar, खाना खाना ही है बस और क्या है,
हाँ.
chef को ले आओ. But I will tell everybody who's thinking of starting a restaurant business,
हाँ.
the only business you should not start is a restaurant business. But some
Really?
basics have to be clear, which is you have to have an ecosystem. You have to have yourself. You should be that person. You should be a Shetty. Matlab some basic things. Matlab like so. There used to be theft. There used to be police problem. There used to be people change immediately. The without experience you can't. Matlab you have to burn yourself somewhere and then start this. I think it was a mistake we made as one of those many mistakes. This was one mistake and I think but learning happened. Now what was the learning and how this converted into a luck in our favor, and that's where Laksh happened. Mr. Jalan, who's the promoter of Laksh Media Group,
Yes.
Alok Jalan, and he came for dining there, and he was sitting in the restaurant and he and his wife, and after he loved the pasta. We used to make some food was mind blowing because everybody appreciated the food. We realized at the end of the day we were just making people's appreciation on food. But on a when he ate and he said he called who's the chef and chef was not there. I said, "Can I help you?" And I introduced myself and he said, "One of the finest pasta I have eaten." And he said कि यार तुम करते क्या हो and got into talking and then I said कि ये करता हूँ. He said मिलेंगे कल ऑफिस में मिलते हैं. मैं पहुंच गया. अब ऑफिस में मिलते हैं मैं तो I was living with this passion actually where this IP thought started.
Yeah.
I was working for a year sitting in a restaurant that what will it take to go back to event industry again and keep working with them. I came out with the idea with India's first IP company. And that's how Event Capital was born. So it was an idea I was living with. Once I left EMDI, I told my partners there also that I am starting an IP company and that's why I have to go.
Wow.
And so it was not, IP didn't happen. IP thought at that time again was 2012. It was, IPs were happening.
Yes.
But I said, let's build, there's no focus IP company. And what will it take? Take strengths of event managers, join hands with them who you know well, and they will support you and build IPs with them, what they are good and passionate about. Idea was तो बहुत अच्छा था, but ऐसा लग रहा था, but it was a difficult one.
It was a difficult one.
It was one of the most difficult choice I made at that time of my life. And Mr. Jalan said कि तेरा idea अच्छा है, लेकिन थोड़ा event business भी करते हैं. They were a large outdoor company and they said, I said मैं ये नहीं कर सकता. So I don't know what made me say no to him. I said no to him. I said, but I said, अगर IP में आप interested हैं तो मैं करना चाहूँगा आपके साथ. And
हाँ.
he's a wonderful soul. And so we got together, and then finally jointly we started Event Capital, and that was a journey to start IP business in India. And that's where I think my risk appetite people call me as IP man, and not nothing else at that time. So much earlier, I think it happened in its old. Today people call it IP.
Yes.
But I think it's been 10 years of.
But back then, I think in 2012, it was a very alien term for
correct. A lot
most
of people
And an
didn't know.
event manager or an event management company could not imagine being in the game. DC, you got some vision. I have to give that to you.
Thank you.
I know you may regret some decisions or may feel that they were ahead of time, but to be able to think way ahead of time and then to act on it, where do you get this courage from?
No, I think it's a business environment. And once, see, I did I think to get out in the industry? No. Yeah. So I think the love and passion for this industry was huge in me because I saw students growing in this, because I saw Event FAQs giving that. It was a pull of mine which kept me so connected that I didn't have a day to look outside. Yeah, restaurant also was a lot more Jimmy's business, and so I never looked out. So it kept giving me that अब क्या नया. तो और वो प्रेशर अब लोग मुझसे मिलते हैं कि भैया अब नया क्या कर रहे हो. मैं बोला मैं थक गया हूँ, अभी मैं कुछ नहीं करने वाला हूँ. So
you will not believe एक phase था. I think it was around COVID when Event Capital was about to get to some place where you had always envisaged it to be. And that was a phase when probably well-wishers like me, many others, DC, and you know this for a fact, were actually hoping, I hope DC abhi kuch naya nahi soch raha hai. Because they were probably not able to keep up with your pace and your, I think, hunger to want to do a lot of things at the same time. Tell me, when you set out your passion and turn it into a huge vision, then you get a support with somebody as powerful as Mr. Jalan. And then you have a lot of creative people who get into the space and y'all come up with IP after IP. How many such, IPs did you end up creating in that span of time? And why do you think it seemed like a bubble burst at the end of the game?
No, so I think, again, there was no background of it, and I didn't know how to do this, and I was doing event education business, and nahi pata tha, and I said I took 30 IPs plan, and I said, what will it take? It's just an event. And when I got to get starting, I realized the one took 1 year to make, to build. Okay, and it is the only thing you have to do. It's sometimes, as an event industry, a lot of people come to me and they said मेरे को IP करना है. मैं बोलता हूँ पूरी जिंदगी देनी पड़ेगी इसके लिए. सोच इस साल तो चालू कर लेगा, अगले साल क्या होगा, उससे अगले साल क्या होगा. So you're giving a birth to a kid, and you have to live that passionately year after year.
You can't leave the child.
You can't leave. वो फिर बेवकूफ़ी होगी, वो सब गलती होगी तुम्हारी की. तो इतना पैशन हो जाओ उसमें. सो ये लर्न किया है मैंने, मतलब while losing money and making money and making IPs, I think it's been a journey of IPs. So but हर कैटेगरी में I said कि कोई ना कोई कैटेगरी तो साइज लेगी, स्केल लेगी. But day one से ही ना realization was it takes the same kind of money and same kind of effort to build a smaller IP or a larger IP.
Is it?
Okay, I realized this much earlier and then jumped into larger IPs. Yeah, very fast on that first 1 or 2 years I did very small IPs.
Yeah.
And then saw
I think you did everything from kids Fashion Week to something on wine. I remember with Gagan, right?
Yeah.
I remember that one also. And then there was something about bikes, right?
Bike Festival of India.
Bike Festival of India.
With Mahendra Singh Dhoni as a joint venture. Much earlier again. Buddh Circuit.
Yeah.
I've been a big fan of Dhoni. Or you have to see his bikes passion. He owns those hundreds of RD100 bikes. We actually got those bikes to the festival. We actually got Hellcat, which one of those 3 people in India owns it, to the circuit. And one day with Dhoni, hundreds and thousands of people flocking in. We saw the festival feel that day, what it takes to create. उस दिन रोया था मैं, मतलब जब बाइक फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया, जब धोनी को देखने इतने लोग आए थे, तुम्हारी वजह से आ रहे हैं लोग, ये बहुत बड़ा अच्छा फील था। वो आईपी का एक जो फील होता है ना, इट्स अमेजिंग। बट हाँ, द वी सेड हर एज ग्रुप के लिए कुछ ना कुछ, आई थिंक वी
Yeah.
रियलाइज दैट बच्चों के लिए इंडिया किड्स फैशन वीक कई
Yeah.
शहरों में करते हैं, बहुत बड़ा हो गया है। विंडमिल फेस्टिवल विच इज
Windmill.
अ किड्स फेस्टिवल,
Which was a successful IP,
which
would you
been a
tell?
continuously now
And it
currently
still
also
runs.
it's still so
Hmm.
India Kids Fashion Week also has changed hands, but
Yeah.
it's very much very successful IP.
Hmm.
Social Nation again एक बड़ा influencer का चल रहा
Yeah.
था, and then somehow one digital entertainment happened to us, and Social Nation came in form, and it's a magical IP which was born within the event capital ecosystem there.
Hmm.
The कैसे मतलब एक इन्फ्लुएंसर इकोसिस्टम को हमने यूज करके एक फेस्टिवल बनाया,
Hmm.
एंड बट ये सब एक कागज पे ही चालू होते हैं, एक सामने वाले की स्ट्रेंथ देख के। तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि एक कागज पे ही चालू होता है। नाम गुरप्रीत हमारा एक पार्टनर है इसके अंदर, यू आल्सो नो हिम, एंड उसकी टांग टूटी हुई थी, वो बेड पे था, और उसकी उसकी अलमारी पे जाके मैं लिखता था नाम, और
हाँ.
ऐसे नाम होता था। तो ये था कि तुम अगर वो, मैं टांग टूटी हुई और तब नहीं आते तो मैं कभी नाम आता भी नहीं, और आज ये बहुत बड़ा नाम बन गया है।
हाँ.
सो सोशल नेशन हैपेंड
हेमंत की टांग टूटी है, आज कोई आईपी
know.
क्रिएट करके मत जाना.
हाँ, उसको इस टाइम पे पकड़ना सबसे आसान है। लेट्स गेट हिम ऑन। so ऐसे करके आई थिंक IP's Bollywood music project was one of our big thought that let's create the largest Bollywood music festival। जो आज के में सनबर्न जो IPs करते हैं उसी को वो EDM आर्टिस्ट हटा दो और रियल बॉलीवुड डाल दो। 60 से 70 आर्टिस्ट, वो थॉट इतना एक्सपेंसिव था क्योंकि हमें पता नहीं, बट हमारी बट वो आज हमारा मतलब डिफाइन करता है वो आज हमें। सो द सिंपल बट क्यूरेटर बिहाइंड इज तारसेम मित्तल, उसको लेके आए हम। बट हर एक चीज मतलब उसमें इतना साइज बना दिया, किसी के लिए मुश्किल है ये, क्योंकि हम इतना नुकसान कर चुके हैं उसमें, किसी के लिए नुकसान करना मुश्किल है। ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि क्रिएट करना मुश्किल है,
Really?
क्रिएट हो जाएगा, बट हम
Tell me, how can Bollywood go wrong? Yeah, it's not
No,
possible.
it's very tricky that
हाँ.
do a consumer
हाँ.
टिकट किसके लिए खरीदता है।
हाँ.
सो एक फेस्टिवल टुमारोलैंड्स वगैरह अलग स्टोरी है, बट मैं ना आर्टिस्ट का फैन हूँ आज की डेट में इंडिया अब, और फाइनली मोर एंड मोर हम फेस्टिवल के फैन नहीं हो पाए हैं। ओके, कई जगह कई तरीके से हम वो एक आर्टिस्ट के लिए जाते हैं इन द म्यूजिक स्पेस। स्टिल आई हैव टू बी अ फैन। अब वो जब तक मैं फैन नहीं हूं तब तक नहीं जाऊंगा। तो इस वजह से आई थिंक बट it has to stay on. That's why it loses money in the initial years. But lately, I think what we see in the success, it's maddening.
Yeah.
Now people know, and people come from across. And we've stayed on this. This year, we're doing 2 of those in Bombay and Delhi. And you'll see 100 artists we've signed.
And this is not with Event Capital. This is...
So this is a change of journey for me, and where COVID happened, as you said, and COVID did take our dreams to some very, very large dreams took a different shape. And it was a tough time for the industry. It was a tough time. I'll tell you my toughest phase of that time. When a EMDI kid at that time was calling me, "Sir, what to do now?" And I didn't have an answer. It was the most depressing moment for me, that all the kids who have succeeded so well, they are not doing well. And that gave us that gave me as if मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, and मैं कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा था। वो that low ना, वो it was very deep. So वो, and then in my own action I said यहाँ तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ बदलते हैं। So I went to Dubai. तो वो मैं एक
it was more like running away.
It was running away. It was actually running away that इंडिया बंद है, इवेंट्स हो नहीं रहे हैं, एंड वी वर लाइक क्रिमिनल्स एट दैट टाइम कि यार इवेंट कर लोगे तो तुम्हें कोई जैसे एज इफ हमने क्या कर दिया। बट आई थिंक वी ऑल, आई थिंक देयर इज लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल विल टॉक टू यू अबाउट इट, बट आई हैड माय ओन जर्नी इन दैट। बट आई थिंक दुबई एट दैट टाइम एक्सपो 2020 वाज हैपनिंग, एंड आई सेड थोड़ा काम करते हैं इस पे। तो आई बिकेम एन इंटर्न अगेन इन लाइफ, सो आई सेड लेट्स वर्क हार्ड देयर and learn the process. And that actually working in Expo taught me again a new life, which is called the market called Middle East. And that the artist market Middle East gave me a new opening. Today what I'm doing is lots because of that. Yeah, so that in Middle East I joined hand with Roshan Abbas to start XPRNC, and we did lots of shows together, And then I said India was growing,
Yeah.
okay, and I was missing India, which I really I said I belong to.
Hmm.
एंड मुश मैं बोलने के लिए अच्छा था कि मैं दुबई में काम कर रहा हूँ बट आई वाज सो कनेक्टेड आई थिंक मतलब लोग मैं इतना ज़्यादा इवेंट्स के अंदर कनेक्टेड हूँ ना इतना ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड हूँ मतलब मेरे को लगता है कई बार कि मेरा हार्ट ही उधर है तो वो इतना ज़्यादा डीप है कि वो मैं खुद ही नहीं भाग पाया उस चीज़ से
Right.
इसलिए सब इवेंट्स में पहुंच जाता हूँ सब दोस्तों से मिलने सो सो so came back and thought that the markets were getting better here and concert business was getting I went to Mr. Jalan and I said ki I want to start my own so and
So you were still a part of Event Capital when
I
you went
was
to
but
Dubai?
I left
Hmm.
I left and I said matlab companies can be Laksh can run those
Yes.
companies and I can't run it
Oh my.
yeah so he allowed कि या ठीक है तुम जो करना चाहते कर लो and so
Was it a more heart to heart conversation? Do you recollect how did you manage to move out of it without making somebody feel like you were running away from it?
no he knew I think it was easy because he knew the face we all were party to it so it was
Hmm.
not challenging to explain the what you're going through
Yes.
and he knew every day I was struggling and
Yeah.
he wanted to do whatever good was possible so he said yeah you go and then let's see where it goes and when I came back and I said ki I want to start my own and I want to go solo and I am again naya thought hai ek mera so and then if I can get your support so he said kya karna hai so I said I've thought of a new brand and I will want to run the IP business because IP is so connected to person
Yes.
so he willingly we did a structure where I was able to buy back all the IPs in the all the IPs I had created in so many years.
Wow.
So Event Capital decided to continue the concert business. They decided to move to the concert business, and I took the IPs in Eva Live. So Eva Live today owns all those IPs what
So
were created
how many
in the
would
past.
those be?
There's 16 of them. Yeah, so
My
small and big,
God.
and yeah, how many we'll do when we'll do. I think lot of them, 10 of them we are doing this year in
Oh.
different shapes, different cities,
But did
and so on.
you sit to ever evaluate if moving to Dubai was as hasty a decision because you had taken quick decisions earlier from EMDI to EFAC starting too soon. Did you ever try to sit and think about it, or was Roshan a great motivation that nothing can go wrong here?
No, so a decision was yes, a little bit based on Roshan also
Sure.
when he said and he showed Dubai is a great market and he believed in it. I said he's getting passionate. He also made his mind to move there. He's also
Yes.
back now, so we both are back to our roots. So he decided. So he said culturally it's growing well and everybody's an Indian. I don't know. You know the total population of Middle East UAE's population is only 1 करोड़ 10 लाख की पॉपुलेशन है
Oh.
दुबई में सिर्फ 33 लाख लोग रहते हैं अंधेरी वेस्ट ओके इतना ही है दुबई तो इतने है नहीं और उसमें 50% इंडियन और पाकिस्तानी है
He
तो एवरी
won.
सेकंड पर्सन is what you know
हाँ.
so it's that smaller city so it was easy to align our thoughts there so
हाँ.
but छोटा है वो जैसे मतलब it's too small for one part of the business you can continue very large way but it's small India is huge
Yes.
yeah so I hasty thought decision but I realized what a learning from there today I've been able to do businesses in both part of the world and I think that's allowing me when I was telling you that how that is helping me I've been able to build a lot of international relations there दुबई से तुम्हें दुनिया दिखती है so कई बार जो कि इंडिया में बैठ के नहीं दिखती
है
understood so वहाँ I've been able to connect to agents across the world I've been able to so we were able to get Brian Adams to India as you know it's changed how I don't know Brian Adams songs also that much
but DC I want to still go back to Dubai and you're somehow making it seem much easier but I have actually thought of this many a times putting myself in your shoes when you are not just a husband you have kids who are growing up you have your own responsibilities EMIs to take care of there is a lot of financial dependency in all of that when you take a hurried decision where everyone is congratulating you And I've seen our industry celebrates announcements, and you love announcing. And then when it doesn't work out, how do you mentally handle yourself before seeing the positivity that, hey, I made a lot of vendor connects and sponsor connects? That is today. But in that phase, for you to tell your family, you know what, I think it's time for me to come back. How did you manage yourself emotionally and mentally?
But it's been difficult. It's not that easy. I think the to believability and then they feel that he said it and it's not happened.
Yeah.
I think that happens in a continuous process of with family. But I think they know me. My kids also know me now, and then this guy is mad. Okay, I think that
Hmm.
madness is needed. So I think
Yes.
they have moved on in their minds that how much I'm available, how much is what all can be done,
Hmm.
where all you can be with him. So I think, and then sometimes we make events as a often get them there and make the part of them of your life so that they
Yeah.
don't feel completely aloof. But yeah, first my first child Meher, I was able to spend more time. Yeah, which these two twins, Abir and Meera,
Yeah.
they have not spent enough time with them.
With
I think
them.
I do feel I will, but they understand now. I think I
But
don't
what
fight
about
that battle of.
yourself? What about your mental game, and how did you hold yourself, and how were you not concerned about what your peers would say about reasons why you are back? Did that not bother you?
It doesn't actually. It doesn't bother me.
That's
I think
commendable,
yeah. So
I
it
have to
doesn't.
say.
I think I move to another one till the thought comes in. So it's a very it sounds simpler, but I'm saying
Yes.
I do believe in that the success and failure is part of uh, of the entrepreneurial ecosystem you are in,
Mm,
and you will fail more often than succeed. वो तो
mm,
लाइफ है, मतलब वो जो हॉस्पिटल की उस पे लाइन पे नहीं दिखती, वो तो तुम क्या ऊपर
yes.
नीचे नहीं होगा तो मर ही जाओगे ना. सो वो सो सो वैसे है.
True.
आई थिंक
So
सो
true.
सो आई थिंक आई I think the next one gives me more happiness, and another one,
The next
the
chapter.
next chapter. So I keep waiting for it. I do get
Correct.
passionate about it. I am happy about announcements.
Yes,
I
you
am,
are.
and I am,
I'm
I,
always worried
yeah.
when I'm
So
opening Facebook.
कि
आज
आज
कहीं कुछ ना हो
what
जाए.
will the announcement come and because no, sometimes ऐसा लगता है कि आज एक ओवरनाइट हुआ है, बट एक एक साल दो दो साल लगे रहते हैं उस चीजों के पीछे, जो अनाउंसमेंट कभी कभी दिखते हैं लोगों को कि
Hmm.
यार ये अनाउंस हो रहा है आज.
हाँ, हाँ.
But you know that it takes a lot more time. So it had been started much earlier, every
Wow.
announcement. So
Really?
उतना टाइम लगता है, किसी की 6 महीने लगते हैं. आईपी को लॉट ऑफ पीपल से मैं 3 महीने बाद ये करने वाला हूँ.
Hmm.
आई टेल देम भैया आज आज तूने तारीख क्या लिख, आज की
Yeah.
तारीख
Hmm.
1 साल बाद की तारीख डाला.
Wow.
उससे पहले अगर तूने कर दिया ना तो
Hmm.
गारंटीड नुकसान करेगा, फेल होएगा. आज
Hmm.
की डेट लिख ले और अगले साल की ये डेट डाल ले, यू विल बी सक्सेसफुल.
My
और
God.
1 साल ईमानदारी से दे. सो
Hmm.
ये मतलब आईपी यू विल गेट देयर.
Yes.
1 साल देना चाहिए.
And how strongly do you feel forever?
It's a new sometime new too much new, but I'm saying I was extreme believer on IP,
Hmm.
and I think it just I wanted to make my own belief little more believable to myself and build it up on, and I think Eva has given me that.
Hmm.
Eva has been a birth of it's Eve, it's new, it's and yeah, it's we're trying to build two businesses, BEW and with Navneet in this,
Yes.
and Eva also Vinod Janardhan happened in my life, and
Yeah.
because of whom I've been able to give Eva a shape,
Totally.
a scale. I think
Yeah.
that's also has happened to me, and same Eva I've been able to launch with Midas in Dubai with Deepak Pawar.
With Deepak.
I think so.
Yes.
Lots of I think
Deepak
my
meets
whole
Deepak.
yeah my whole ecosystem or partnerships is the model and collaboration. I think a lot of people
Hmm.
talk about it. मुझे लगता है मैं हर डिनर में हर लंच में कोलैबोरेशन करना चाहता हूँ और करता हूँ. And that's why my success is of doing so many things is not um, my work. It's a lot of our partners and lots of their work. I think
Hmm.
sometimes we believe a lot of time I get the name of it, but
Oh.
ये सच्चाई नहीं है, सच उनकी है।
You're so humble. Tell me, when you look back at your entire journey, which is now at 24 years into the space.
Yeah, 20,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Oh, going to
Okay.
turn 25 soon. Yeah.
Yeah.
बेटा तुम्हारी उम्र हो
Nice.
रही है.
Actually realize नहीं हो रहा है, मैं तुम realize करा रहे हो तो मेरे को realize हो रहा है। 25 years to
Yeah.
this madness.
Totally. Tell me, what do you feel जो आपकी लाइफ की शायद सबसे बड़ी गलती रही है, if you have to analyze?
Mm, tough to remember. I
Hmm.
think restaurant was a mistake. I think I wasted few years of mine. टाइम एक्चुअली मुझे लगता है कि टाइम एक ऐसा मतलब टाइम बड़ा बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है। मैं इसलिए चीज़ें थोड़ी जल्दी करता हूँ एज़ इन
हाँ.
नई-नई चीज़ें और मुझे लगता है कि बहुत छोटी ज़िंदगी है मतलब एंड एन्जॉय भी करता हूँ मैं। मतलब
Yeah.
उस प्रोसेस को ना ऐसे लिव इट फुल्ली। तो ऐसा नहीं कि
Yes.
मैं बहुत सीरियसली लेता हूँ, ऐसा लगता है। मैं
नहीं,
चीज़ों को ज़्यादा सीरियसली नहीं लेता।
नहीं लेते हो तभी
Yeah.
you've been able to survive.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है अगर इंसान अपने फेलियर्स और सक्सेस को
हाँ।
बहुत ज्यादा सीरियसली लेगा
तो
तो
फिर what
वो उभर नहीं सकता. The
Correct.
way you've been able to move on from one
Yeah.
chapter to the other. What do you feel has given you the biggest high till date?
Uh,
Not necessarily rewarding, but still your greatest high that, okay, that's my thing.
I think my journey actually.
Yeah.
It's not one event or one moment. Actually,
Really?
the journey of uh, uh, my large family believing in me, journey of family being together, journey
Ah.
of cities moving, friends everywhere across the country, journey of collaborative efforts. One Rajiv Jain wrote a message on my chat the other day. This is your 100th partner. But that's the truth. It's not. I don't shy away in that.
But
I'm
that is
saying,
you because I've worked with you. You're able to mold yourself to make your partner feel comfortable. And I think that's commendable.
thank
In
you.
spite of you being the superior in a relation, you have never let that the other person feel bogged down or intimidated. You've in fact given free hand, made that person feel भाई तू ही है सब कुछ, मेरे को कुछ नहीं आता है, तू ही कर ले.
But a lot of time you own it, I think, and you own it accordingly. So it's if somebody owns it, I
Yeah.
think then lives up to it madly. You don't have to worry then. So sometimes we believe in that. So I think this journey has been the most important, and it's
It's a
I'm
high.
not. It's a high. It's a high when I go to events and I've been able to build this in Middle East, and that same things our journey is
Yes.
adding in that part of the environment.
Totally.
So it's a very and different industries. Our connected industry is so many
Yes.
that when I get into advertising media industry, I become the face of event industry. It's another beautiful journey,
It
another
is.
beautiful moment when your industry people are talking,
Yeah.
and so I feel so connected
हाँ.
to this industry's ecosystem that I started feeling that मतलब वो एक actually journey is the most very beautiful for me to be true.
And like every parent cannot decide कि मेरा सबसे फेवरेट बच्चा कौन है. आजकल के माँ बाप के पास 1 या 9 बच्चा रहता है, लेकिन फिर भी एक टाइम था when you ask a parent, they'll not be able to say from all your IPs
Which is the best.
which is your favorite.
No, I'm passionate about मतलब from a B2C I will say, मतलब not B2B because
Sure.
but B2C Bollywood music project. I think
Yeah.
it's given me tears. It gives me nights which I've never seen. I've been in like when Arijit Singh was performing in the first Bollywood music project. बारिश हो रही थी. मैं अरिजीत से थोड़ा टाइम
Yes.
पहले मिला था कि
हाँ.
कैंसिल कर देते हैं, पुश कर देते हैं. बोला था गारंटेड बारिश होगी. तो थोड़े से ये होते हैं ना रेनकोट मंगवा ले सबके लिए. मैं कहा 10,000 रेनकोट and actually I asked for 10,000 raincoats and we distributed.
Oh.
10,000 people in Geo Garden on that date were standing. It was raining heavily. Nobody moved. And people were waiting. तो गिटार खराब हो गया था. The show was supposed to get over fast, but it delayed. But that day, the believability actually came in front. What are you creating? And that gave you tears, and it was a beautiful moment.
And I think you would
Yeah.
want to still commit another mistake for
For
creating
that one
those
moment.
moments
Yeah, so true.
and
So true.
making that
And
kind of
like, yeah,
difference.
in all our businesses like wedding, you will see your the
Yeah.
finally the couple when they live that moment, and that moment you've created
Yes.
for so many years for them.
Oh,
I think
yes.
sometimes same
Yeah.
we feel that for consumer. I think our
True.
consumer high is extremely amazing.
But I don't think a consumer ever
Yeah.
understands what we
Yeah.
as
So true.
creators
So
feel.
true.
That high is something
But and you
else.
can't tell them I did it. You're
Yeah.
just standing on the backside and seeing them happy, and you're happy.
Yeah.
That's so
Yeah.
true.
Tell me, in all these artists with whom you have done so many shows, and I'm saying the shows that you've done in Middle East and in India, which are some of your favorite artists? I'll not tell you to pick one because it's just impossible. I know that for sure. But you've worked with the likes of Atif, besides Arijit, and so many more. Tell me some of your favorite names that come to your mind as a performer.
No, I think it's difficult. It's difficult. It's kept changing. I think every year I change my artist feelings.
Yes.
So it is. Then I was in love with Atif when I saw Atif performing. It is. I said India has really lost a
Missing.
great artist, and I really wish someday we both join hands and create a concert of Atif Rahat coming here and joining hands with our artist. I live that dream. So, but and when you hear Rahat doing his act, and when Beat Arijit, you fall in love. Matlab, you're there and you're in that moment. I think all of them. Today, what's happening to the artist ecosystem? If you see closely, what has happened actually, I'll take this bit of finally we are creating artists from India, which can be exported. This has changed our whole artist ecosystem. A Diljit story, a Karan Aujla story, AP Dhillon story, a story. I'll tell you the numbers. You'll go mad. Finally we are creating artists. We have come a long way as an artist ecosystem or an event industry, and this is not going to stop. It's going to be the we will produce artists now, which will be sellable across the world.
Yeah.
So,
and would you give a large part of credit to artists like Rahman, Arijit, who probably went out of their way in a lot many ways before they saw success, but they really brought us to world map?
No, I see. It took lots to make them. Arijit is not made by himself. A Gerua performing, a big set. It is Kajol dancing. Our love for Shah Rukh has gone to Arijit. But an independent music artist has a different creation.
Is it?
It's not. Bollywood is not behind that artist. A Pratik Kuhad, a Bismil, Anup Jain, King. There's no Bollywood behind them, and we still love their songs. Diljit, little Bollywood. We are a fan of Diljit, but he's created with his own aura, and no Bollywood behind him. Truly,
actually,
Karan Aujla. People say it's one song. No, he's been after it because we love that format. We have fallen in love with that guy. So we've become, finally we are born as fans.
Yes.
We were Bollywood fan. Now finally we are artist fans, a music singers fan. No, each of them, I'm saying Arijit and Rahman has given us size and scale across the world when they're sold out everywhere. They are large brands. We've not created them. Bollywood created them. These guys, I think, as an industry, has got created.
And this is such a keen observation that these artists, independent artists, are actually created by their fans.
Correct. It's
real, without any backing and support, which is the more commercial game of it. Finally, I think it's the right time to be in the space.
Completely. I think it's the time. We've been on it for very long. Everybody should get into this. And give that 1 year.
Give that 1 year to any project, any thought that comes to your mind. And but also be the same rush that this man has been to be able to get where you have. And don't stop at your failures and don't dwell too much into analyzing it, but move on with those learnings. And most important thing I think I have learned today is relationships. The way you've held on to everyone who's been with you in your good and bad times. And you've made sure that you're showing the good times to even those who may have been a part of your experiments, DC. But I know that clearly this show is actually it's your life. The show must go on.
Show must go on.
You have proven it all the time. Thank you so much,
Thank
DC, for talking to us.
Thank you
It means
to
a
get
lot,
me
means a
here.
lot.
Thank you so much. You're rocking and you're doing so well. And the show is looking fabulous. Thank you.
Thank you.